Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another clean with me video. My house is a complete disaster, as you guys can tell, and I really wanted to get everything in order before this week started. So I felt what better time than to record a cleaning video. I know it has been a minute since I uploaded one of these, so if you guys are missing these videos and you want to see more, make sure you give this one a thumbs up and subscribe. Honestly, you guys, I was not in the mood to clean. I just felt a little overwhelmed because I let my house go for over a week without a really good clean. So I did tune into one of my favorite channels here on YouTube, which is This Crazy Life. Amanda makes amazing cleaning videos and she does these cleaning marathons and it just gives you a lot of motivation. So that's what I'm going to be listening to as I clean my house. So let's go ahead and jump right on into this video and I will check in with you guys every once in a while just to let you know what I'm doing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind?
A friend of mine owns a company called Magnolia G and she makes personalized tumblers, mugs, and all kinds of other cute home items. So if you guys want to check her out, I will leave her website down below and make sure you tell her that I sent you.
What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah, nah, now. Oh, nah, nah, now. For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, 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 we ain't got the time.
I just want to pop in real quick and give you guys a heads up on future videos that I plan on uploading to my channel. I will be doing a fall decor haul as well as a decorate with me, so if you guys are interested, make sure you stay tuned for that. I also placed an order on Grove Collaborative a few days ago, so that should be coming in soon, and I could do a haul for you guys and incorporate those new fall products into future clean with me videos if you guys are interested. So if you are, leave me a comment down below letting me know that that would be something that you would like to see.
Make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Got so tired of waiting, got tired of the chase. I've been feeling like lately, there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you.
So we still have some things in boxes, which is a little bit embarrassing to admit since it has been about 3 months since we moved in here. But I noticed that 2 of these boxes just had books, so I consolidated all the books into one box and then I separated them based on if they were my daughter's books or my son's books, and then I carried them to their rooms. Their rooms are a huge mess. They're both away this weekend and I want them to at least help me clean their rooms because they make the mess. So I did just kind of put them down and they can sort through it when they get back home.
You look good in the sunshine, you look good in the rain. And I know once that you're mine, we'll have nothing to change. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call you my own. Are you out there dancing alone? Are you up on your own? Baby, I wanna know just how many days will go till I call you my own.
So at this point I had gotten so hungry and I realized I hadn't had anything to eat yet, so I ran out and got myself some lunch and I chilled and watched TV for a little bit before I got right back into cleaning. I did have to fold my boyfriend's laundry for him because I needed the dryer. Typically we don't do each other's laundry, but on this day I needed the dryer, so that was kind of my only option. And then after this I ended up going to hang out with a friend for a few hours and I did not feel like cleaning when I got back home because I actually got back pretty late. So the next clips that you guys are going to see for the rest of this video are from the next day. And I feel like sometimes when you break up cleaning, especially when you have so much to do, it makes it feel a lot easier and it's not so overwhelming. So if you guys have a lot to get done in your house, try to split it up and don't feel like you have to do everything in one day.
Headed for a heartbreak. You came along, played a new song, so turn it up, don't ever stop. It's how you do the things you do, and I don't mind, just take your time. I'll let you do.
So we found this couch on Facebook Marketplace. It was in perfect condition and it was only $50. However, the color was not something that went with the decor in our home, but I didn't want to get rid of those pillows because I knew that I could get some covers for them, and it turns out the covers that I had from a few months ago actually fit pretty well. So if you guys like throw pillows like myself, but maybe you don't like the color or you want to switch it up, or maybe they've gotten dirty, you could always get some covers off of Amazon. I will leave these ones linked down below, and it saves you a lot of money so you don't have to go back out to the store and get new throw pillows, which can get a little bit expensive.
You came along, played a new song, so turn it up, don't ever stop. It's how you do the things you do, and I don't mind, just take your time. I'll let you do the things you do. You're so right, gonna lay it on the line, yeah. I will let you do the things you do, yeah. Rock my soul, got me calling out for more, yeah. Ooh, all the things you do. So turn it up, don't ever stop. It's how you do the things you do, and I don't mind, just take your time. I'll let you do the things you do. Oh my darling, got me started hanging on. Ooh, so excited, I can't hide it. You're the one. All the things you do, my darling, got me started hanging on. So excited, I can't hide it. You're the one. Go easy on me. Go easy on me. Staying out till it's early in the morning. Been around with my sisters. Gotta move to the beat, beat, beat. Gotta move to the beat, beat, beat. Looking damn fine, pretty as a day. Wanna find your mister. Shake it all on the street, street, street. Gotta move to the beat.
Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or you found it motivating in any way, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Leave me your favorite emoji down in the comments so that way I know you made it to the end of this video. I am currently planning my 1K giveaway prizes, so if you guys want to be a part of that, make sure you are subscribed. And last but not least, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Baby.